Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. Some of the men accused of killing soccer player Senzo Meyiwa were visibly shocked on Tuesday when their lawyer Adv Teffo told the High Court Pretoria he was withdrawing from the case. Teffo dropped the bombshell of his recusal by saying he had grown tired of the harassment he had suffered while on the case. The harassment came from the state and presiding judge Chifiwa Maumelo. He also said that the plan to make his life difficult was hatched with the knowledge of President Cyril Ramaphosa. Advocate stated that on the 28th of April, when I was arrested before your court, there was a plan, and the plan was hatched in the office of the president, the number one office in the country. It was said that I am a problematic advocate, that my clients should take the responsibility of the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, despite the fact that they were innocent. Teffo also told the court that while he was withdrawing from representing 4 of the 5 accused, he will continue with his watching brief on behalf of the Meyiwa family, as he was appointed by Sifiso Meyiwa, Senzo's brother. He said, I am a human being. I've got emotions. I've got feelings. I deserve and demand respect. The reason I can no longer be in court and face you is that there are serious allegations wherein you are accused, number 1. Before I can even accept the case to represent the 4 accused, there has been harassment and I shall not be part of this case. From the police and the NPA, I came into this case knowing the consequences. Advocate Teffo also said he was offered money. They are making this case very complicated. They know exactly who killed Senzo Meyiwa, but they are playing hide and seek. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.